What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today you guys are in for a treat. We're doing an unboxing of a Weber grill. Sometimes that could be a little bit boring, but we're going to try our best and make it as interesting for you guys as we possibly can. Now guys, some of you might not want to flip through that instructions, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to skip that and show you exactly how to put together this beautiful Master Touch GBS C5750 Weber grill. We're going to share with you guys what's exactly in the Master Touch box. Basically this is from South Africa, Durban, and in your country it might differ and you might get a few different extras inside. Let's share with you guys what's in this box. The next few items are free stock. Basically it comes with the Master Touch. You've got a cover here, 57 centimeters. What we have here is some recipe books. We've got hot and spicy, a Mediterranean, and then Weber chicken. That could be quite interesting as well. Then you've got a catalog here, and then the owner's manual. Basically in here you'll find the instructions. Let's get rid of that. We have a triangle. This is going to help and assist to keep your Weber grill nice and sturdy. I'm going to show you how to use that in a minute. We've got two 4x4 wheels. They look 4x4, it's quite huge. What's a Weber grill without your fire baskets? Half moons for indirect cook. This is a must. Over here we've got our charcoal grit. This is going in the bottom of your bottom bowl, and your charcoal is going to go right on top of this. You've got a deep ocean blue Weber over here. This is the top lid. One of the changes Weber did on the Master Touch is this beautiful grit, cooking grit basically. You've got opening on the one side and the other side, as you can see there. You can use these openings to get access to your coals. That's very helpful during a cook. Then you also have this opening right here. If you want to do vortex, also get access to the coals, or you just want to have access to the coals, that whole piece here comes out. We've got our bottom bowl, and I'm going to show you guys how to assemble it in a bit. We've got one leg that looks different to the other two legs. Basically that's the front leg. You'll see you've got a hole here, a very small hole on the one end. That's for your triangle that keeps this pry sturdy. And then you've got just one hole. This is basically for your spring pin. And if you guys look closely, these are your back legs. As you can see, there's a front view and a side view. Basically, this is where your triangle is going to go in to hold your pry sturdy. And at the bottom, you'll see you've got two holes. One hole on the one leg, you're going to use the left side, and the other leg, you're going to use the right side. And that's where your spring pins are going to go in. We have this heat control unit, if you want to call it that, that goes to the bottom of your bottom bowl. Then we have the ash collector that connects to that heat control unit. Then we got this funny half moon shaped rod. Basically this is your top lid that's going to slide right into this. Also a very nice add-on on the Master Touch. Guys, I think we've covered most of what's in the box. So let's go and assemble this beautiful Weber grill. Right guys, you got this holder here that's for your fire control. As you can see, you've got these three pins, 1, 2, 3, and they've got these little lips that goes right underneath these leg fittings. So basically, this is your front, this will be your front leg, and these are your two back legs. You can see also you've got that sliding space, and this slider needs to go inside here before you connect it to the rest of the bowl. So let's go ahead and do that. You want to move it over your slider into that sliding space, position it nice and firmly in the middle, push it down nice and firmly once your tabs are aligned and on the inside of your leg fittings, and you'll hear pop. That's when you know it's nicely fitted. You want to just make sure and have a look on the inside of that fitting that your tab is showing nicely, and that's when you know this ring is perfectly fitted. As you can see, your slider for the temperature control moves freely. This will be your closed position, and that will be your open position. Next thing, we're going to go on to the legs. You want to take these spring pins and then just put them into your legs. As I said before, your front legs got one hole, your back legs got two holes. So you don't want to do that. You want to just make sure that the angle faces downwards into the leg, and then just push it slowly until it pops out. As you guys can see, there's a spring. we're going to do exactly the same with the back legs, one on the left, one on the right. On the leg fittings, you also got a hole there. You want to align these pin holes with the exact hole so that the pin can spring out and make sure that it's nicely connected and secured. Before you insert your second and third leg, you want to connect your triangle. Before connecting the third leg, you want to push it through the hole and then you push it down into the leg fitting. Remember to add this cap that you also find in the box to your number one, your front leg. You've got these big wheels. You'll see that there's a extension here that points inwards, and you've got this circlip. Now you want to make sure that this rod sits over there and not on the sides. Next, you want to add these beautiful covers that make sure you don't see that. Once again, a click confirms that it's nicely attached. You're going to do exactly the same to the other wheel. At this stage, you want to move over to your ash collector, and that's very easy to fit. So you'll see that you've got these 2 points over here, and you've got that slot in there, and this is exactly where the handle goes in, to the front of this Weber grill. These two guys will go over there, sort of connect them, push them in there, and then these you will just clamp together until they fit snug. There you go. Ash collector fitted. At this stage, we can put this Weber on its legs and move on to the next step. Next, guys, you've got this ring here. That's the catch for your top lid, and you've got this beautiful strap. Basically, what you want to do is put the strap through there. That's going to go right in the middle. You can see there's a notch as well. You want to take these grips with a big circle to the back, and then the same on this side. You want to add a washer to each side, and you'll see there's 2 holes to your bowl at the bottom, and that's exactly where these guys are going to go in. So just push one in there and the other one on the other side. You've got another 2 washers and 2 nuts. So basically 1 set on each side. You've got this bracket here. You'll see it's got a lip on the bottom. You want that to face outwards and to connect like that. Next, you've got a screw with a square. You want to push it through there and then through the hole. The hole's also square. On the inside, you want to add a washer and another nut to secure it properly. Next, you're going to add your charcoal grit, followed by your cooking grit. Next is your side handle. You want to make sure that the Weber faces the correct way, and you can see you've got 2 handles on the side here for any utensils that you might want to hang. You're going to need a screwdriver, and you've got a screw. Go easy on the screw as you are tapping into plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it at all. Your lid's going to need a handle, so let's go and attach that. You'll see that you've got a very nice wrench socket as well that they gave you. It's plastic, but it's perfect. You want to place your handle in the direction that if you're standing in front of your thermometer, where that's fitted, you can read Weber correctly. As you guys can see, there's the thermometer. At the back, there's a little lip there. You want to make sure that this rod here, the probe, goes through the main hole, and there's a slight cut in the top lid where you want to make sure that that tab goes straight in there. You also want to turn your thermometer so it's nice and straight, 90 degrees to the side. And like I said before, there's your thermometer. Weber is nicely written. It looks good. At the back, you've got a wing nut, very straightforward. Press it over the probe and then just start to tighten it. We also got this very handy small little table, if you like, that goes on the handle over here. And basically you just tighten it over there. It's got a little screw there. And then this could be used for your eye grill, thermometer, or anything else that you need to just rest there. I don't think we're going to use it, so we're just going to go ahead and remove it. Boys and girls, cheers to our first braai this Weber that we just assembled. Hope you enjoy the video, and I hope this inspires you to get a Weber grill to enjoy at home. Cheers. Wow, very traditional, boerewors on a roll. What more do you want? Fantastic. Guys, you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. We cannot do this without you. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.